Good morning, students. The next topic we are going to see is about optics. This topic it was studied even from your lower classes. So, what is a ray optics? Is the light travels in a straight line in a medium. So, we know that whenever you consider any medium, the light will be traveling in a straight line, and the light may deviate its path only when it encounters another medium or an obstacle. So if you have any medium, other medium or any obstacle, if you're going to place in its way, then what happens? It deviates its path. Otherwise, the light will be traveling in the straight line. Okay, so this is a first point, which is the light travels in a medium. Clear? Then it travels in a straight line. Next is when a ray of light gives information about what is meant by a ray of light is the path which is followed by the light, that is called as a ray of light. Okay, so the ray of light gives information about only the direction. So எந்த directionல light போகுது அப்படின்றத மட்டும்தான். It does not says about the characteristics such as intensity and the color. So what is the intensity of light or what is the color of the light? It will not be known from this ray of light. Okay, however, a ray is sensible representation of a light in the ray optics. The path of the light which is traveled is called as a ray of light. As I've told you, என்ன pathல travel பண்ணுது light அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா that is called as a ray of light. And bundle of such rays. Okay, so if you have bundle of such rays, they are called as what? Beam of light. Okay, so only one light if you are considering, that is called as a ray. If you consider collection of all the rays, that is called as what? Beam of light. And in this chapter we are going to see with reflection, refraction and dispersion and scattering also. Okay, first, what is a reflection? Is the bouncing back of the light into the same medium. Suppose consider this to be any substance. If light falls on this substance, what happens is it comes back to the same medium. So this is one medium and this is other medium. It's not. If the light is coming back to the same medium, then that is called as what? Reflection. Okay, then the polished surface can reflect the light. So when we use with a polished surface, that can reflect the light. Clear? Mirrors which are silver coated at their back can almost reflect 90%. So first வந்து polished surface கண்டிப்பா reflect பண்ணும்னு சொல்லிட்டோம். Next என்னன்னா ஒரு mirror. அந்த mirrorல என்ன பண்ணிருக்கணும்? It should be with silver coated. So அந்த silver coated mirrorம் என்ன பண்ணும்? It reflects 90% of the light. Okay, so இப்போ angle of incidence வந்து என்ன வச்சுப்போம்னா R னு வச்சுக்கிறோம். Okay, so here is the angle of incidence or what it is incident, that is called as the angle of incidence. How it is reflected, that is called as a angle of reflection. So that is denoted by the letter R. Okay, so angle of incidence is I and the angle of reflection is R. Then the with respect to the normal drawn to the surface according to law of reflection. So according to law of reflection, we can say with the 2 points. The first point is incident ray, reflected ray and the normal to the reflecting surface all are coplanar. So what is meant by coplanar is all lie in the same plane. Okay, plane is what? X, Y, Z. இந்த மாதிரி மூணு plane இருக்கும் இல்லையா? So in this it all lies in the same plane. Okay, so here this is angle of incidence, this is reflection and this is normal. Okay, so this is I and this gives the value of R. So angle of incident ray அதான் இது. Okay, then the reflected ray. So this is a reflected ray and also the normal. So this is a normal. So all these three lie on the same plane. So they are said to be coplanar. Okay, then next is the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. This is a main 2 points of laws of reflection. So angle of incidence angle of reflection எப்படி இருக்கும்? Equal இருக்கும். So first point is incident ray, reflected ray and the normal. So இது incident. Okay, இது reflected, இது normal. இது மூணுமே எப்படி இருக்கும்? They are coplanar. Okay, then the next one is what? Angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So this is a diagram. This diagram shows with the laws of reflection. So as I've told you, this is incident ray and this is reflected ray and this is normal. Okay, so how all these three are? They all three lie in the same plane. Okay, so incident ray, reflected ray and the normal lie in the same plane. Okay, so this is a first condition we have seen. Okay, then the next is the incident ray angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So we can say that I is equal to R. Angle of incidence is equal to what? Angle of reflection. Okay, here we are considering this to be a silvered part so that the rays fully get reflected. Clear?